forms a bridge, an arch, a dome, if you will, right over the outlet. Okay? Now, this material has sufficient cohesive strength to support the entire contents of that bin. It has such amount of strength it can hold tons and tons of material back and not allow it to flow. Okay? And so we have to figure out a way to try somehow break that arch and get material to flow. Maybe it's a flow aid, or maybe it's some other things that we can do. Okay? And so arching is a major concern for a lot of bulk solids. You know, sand and plastic pellets, things like that, they don't arch. They don't have cohesive strength. But a lot of materials have cohesive strength that we have to take into consideration. And so we'll talk about how we determine that cohesive strength. There's a test method that Janicki developed. It's the standard in the United States for measuring bulk solid flow properties. We'll go through that a little bit. Not going to get into a lot of detail in the testing, but I'll show you how we do it and what we hope to obtain from that testing. But that's critical for the whole thing. Okay? So an arch can form, a bridge, a dome can form over that outlet and not allow our material to flow from the bin. The second no-flow condition is called ratholing. Okay? Here we've started our silo. We've turned on a feeder, opened a gate to initiate flow, and we get some flow. The material starts to flow. It flows for a little while, then all of a sudden it stops. What's happened? Okay? What has likely happened is a stable pipe is formed. In other words, materials, there's friction that develops between a bulk solid and the hopper wall material. Okay? Such that if the wall material is too shallow or too rough, the material will rather slide on itself than slide on the wall, so it will overcome the friction on the wall. So now you've got material flowing down through a central flow channel. Again, if this material has cohesive strength, it's going to form, that flow channel is going to empty out and form a stable pipe, which is called a rat hole. I'm sure you heard the terminology, but rat holing is a significant problem with a lot of materials. Okay? Sometimes